Want a professional, blazing fast website without spending a dime? Whether you're starting a business, a blog, or just want a sleek portfolio, AI is here to save you time, effort, and money. Stick around because, in this video, we will explore how to use AI to build a blazing fast website in just a few minutes. We will reveal the top 3 free no-code AI website builders perfect for beginners and entrepreneurs looking to launch their sites quickly. These tools simplify design and functionality, making it easy for anyone to create a website without any coding skills. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Jay's Digital Hub for more tips and tools to level up your digital game. Now, let's explore the top 3 AI website builders. First, we have Wix ADI on the list. Wix ADI, known as Artificial Design Intelligence, is one of the most popular AI website builders available today. It creates a unique website based on your preferences. It's user-friendly, with plenty of templates to choose from. Here's how you can create your website with it. Go to the Wix website and click on Get Started. The AI will ask you about your business and preferences. Wix ADI will generate a site based on your answers. You can tweak designs, layouts, and content until it fits your vision. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button and your site is live. Next we have Doric. Doric stands out with its unique features like an AI image generator, making it perfect for those who want a stunning online presence without any coding skills. Here's how to use it. Visit Doric's homepage and sign up. Select a design from templates that resonates with your brand, or start from scratch. Use the AI tools to generate text and images based on prompts. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts as needed. Once everything looks good, publish your website. Lastly, there is ZipWP. ZipWP is gaining attraction as a leading free AI website builder. This tool allows you to create stunning WordPress websites in just 60 seconds with no technical expertise required. Here are the steps to build website with ZipWP. Go to their website and click on Create Your Website. Provide details about what you want your site to convey. Now watch as ZipWP creates a draft of your website in seconds. You can edit and customize the design and content using simple drag and drop tools. And when ready, publish it live for the world to see. With AI, building a website has never been easier or faster. By using these innovative platforms for website building, you will be well on your way to establishing an impressive online presence in no time. So are you ready to create yours today? Try out these tools and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. See you in the next video.